How to take multiple photos with timer on iPhone. Whether you are taking group shots, action poses, or selfies using the timer with burst mode makes it easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to take multiple photos with the timer on our iPhone. Let's dive in. Launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and find the option Camera. Once you find it, open it. Now over here, you're gonna find a fun option. Navigate to the option of Use Volume Up for Burst. Toggle on for that option. Once you enable for this option, you'll be good to go. Now you can open up your camera. Now first up, you can set the timer, so click on this drop down and here towards this timer icon. You can set it to 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Choose it. Then turn off the live mode. For that, click on this icon given at the top right corner. Once you do that, now you can take a photo. Press and hold the shutter button when the countdown starts. Your iPhone will automatically take a series of photos in quick succession. After the shots are taken, go to the Photos app to view your burst photos. Tap on the burst image, then tap Select at the bottom to view each frame. Choose your favorite shots and keep only favorites to save them. And that's how you can take multiple photos with the timer on your iPhone. Using the timer with burst mode is perfect for capturing the best moments without rushing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.